For better or for worse, Marvel Cinematic Universe finally has a focus point again. Though Kang the Conqueror was once the future of the franchise, Marvel Multiverse saga is barreling toward a confrontation between the new Avengers and Doctor Doom. That conflict will play out in Avengers Doomsdays and may continue in Avengers Secret Wars. Robert Downey Jr. is also set to return to the MCU not as Iron Man but as a potential variant of Doom. Marvel is clearly reinvesting in the asset that brought the franchise to greatness, and after years of diminishing returns, you cannot really blame them for returning to what worked. Still, it feels like the studio has yet to learn a crucial lesson about its most troubled film. A new report from Variety offers details on Marvel upcoming Avenger film. Director Anthony and Joe Russo, who are returning to the MCU after a 5-year, will shoot Doomsdays in London beginning in the second quarter of 2025 before the demand of visual effects and reshoots. Most Hollywood productions took a bit over a year to complete, but that's not the standard for Marvel, especially not recently, as its latest projects have been more expensive and involved than previous MCU entries. But the pressure to meet a pre-established release date is still a major factor in Marvel declining quality rather than focusing on script development. Recent projects fixing their issues in post-production. Marvel has already pushed back the release date of Doomsday and Secret War, so it's understandable it wouldn't want more delays given all the work that been put into the film already. Maybe Marvel has enough time to finish Doomsdays, but this duology is crucial for the multiverse saga and it's supposed to provide purpose to the Marvel lackluster storytelling. It also has to offer a satisfying conclusion to a complicated yet aimless multiverse storyline, one that proved divisive among fans. Marvel needs to get Doomsday right. It cannot afford to rush such a crucial film. Otherwise, what was the point of all this fanfare?